Okay, so this is going to be another different kind of video. This video, I'll be going over all of or most of my Elgato products. If you want to see my last video where I went over most of, if not all of my Razer products, definitely feel free to check that out. There should be a card or something. But I'm going to tell you guys right now, I have, okay, I have this Stream Deck and I have the Stream Deck Plus right next to it, the one with the knobs and stuff. Not the Stream Deck Plus XL. I don't have that as of right now. And then I have the Elgato Wave DX mic. I think it's called Wave DX mic. Now, this is going to represent my capture card, okay? Because my current capture card or capture cards I use are the MK.2, I believe it is, 4K 60. Yeah, 4K 60, it's the internal capture card. Yeah, so it's in my computer right now. And I also have a HD HD60S that I have plugged up to my computer in case I want to record some iPad gameplay or whatnot. This actually is a very old one. This is my very first Elgato capture card, the HD60 external. Yeah, my very first capture card. As you can see, it doesn't even use USB Type C. It uses USB Mini. Yeah, that's how old it is. My very first Elgato capture card, which is pretty crazy if you think about it. It's been a while. Now, those are not all the Elgato projects I have, okay? I have another one which I would put up behind me, but honestly, I don't feel like getting it out. It's pretty heavy. It's a green screen. With that green screen that you pull up and whatnot. It was, yeah. I used it for quite a while back when I actually did more green screen stuff, and this was before the RTX capture cards. I mean, RTX, GPUs came out from NVIDIA. So that was way before we had the technology to just detect face and erase the background and stuff like we do now. I mean, that technology still isn't perfect right now to some degree, but I mean, it's better than non-existent, which is what was back then. It was non-existent back then. Now, I just realized this video might be a bit shorter of a video because most of my Elgato products are actually off screen, but I'll do my best to go over what I do with each of them, okay? My Elgato mic I use to, talk and whatnot. Fun fact, I actually just got the Elgato mic that I'm using right now. Not too long ago. Before that, I was using a different mic. I'll show you guys the mic I was using. I was using this Audio Technica 2020. See, because this isn't a sponsored video, I'm just sharing with you guys my Elgato products and what I currently use. And the mic I'm using right now, it's one of those mics that you'll have to be either pretty close or turn the gain up quite a bit. So I had to change the look of my IRL work area a little bit so I could still stay back here at a decent and, not like have to lean forward up to the mic every moment of every moment. But yeah, I personally back to what I use. Sorry, I got a bit distracted. I do that from time to time because I don't actually have a teleprompter, contrary to popular belief. Now, at one point, I did every now and then I'll use OBS as a type, makeshift prompter, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about Elgato products that I currently own. I did think about buying the Elgato prompter at some point or another, but I decided against it, I suppose. But yeah, back to what I use. Capture card, of course, capturing gameplay, of course. There is that mic used to capture mic, to speak into the mic. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Stream Deck XL and Stream Deck Plus, both used for a lot of stuff. I have so many shortcuts and commands on there, it's crazy. But I use it mostly for streaming or recording video. I can start videos, stop videos. Oh yeah, I also have my Elgato key light. So I use my Stream Deck to control the key light. It it actually helps a lot more than you'd think because in dark areas I can light stuff up and whatnot. I use it mostly for streaming the key light, but also not streaming as well. You'd be surprised how much it actually helps in IRL type situation. But yeah, Elgato products, they are inherently a bit different than typical products. I say that because typical tech products, you could argue, are for, like, say, for example, Razer products, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video. You could make an argument that, you know, gamers use keyboards and you know headsets and stuff, which is true. Streamers use those things, but Elgato products seem more targeted at content creators. Like I don't know of many, if not any, non-content creators that would use a capture card. I do, however, know that the Stream Deck. I do know a few people who aren't content creators that use the Stream Deck because it's good for shortcuts. It really is, even if you're not a content creator. So, yeah, but green screen, again, I feel like I don't know many people who aren't content creators that do the green screen thing. And yeah, really, that's all I got for you guys. I think I'm going to end it up here. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.